Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change from premium to basic on H&R Block. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on H&R Block, you might want to click on the create an account option, and from here all you have to do is provide your email, your password, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Now, once you are logged in, say for example your tax situation has become less complex and you may not need the additional features and support offered by the premium version. Now, basically, going back to the basic versions typically is enough for a straightforward tax returns without many deductions or sources of income. Now, I had a premium version in the past, and basically it's a lot. Now, if you're looking to save money and your tax situation doesn't require the extra features, switching to a basic version can be a way to reduce expenses. And again, if you find that you are not using the advanced features included in the premium version, such as support for investment, income, or rental property, you may be paying for features you do not need. And obviously, downgrading to a basic version can save you money while still meeting your tax preparation needs. Now, in order for you to downgrade your account here on H&R Block, of course, you can click on the chat with an agent, and they are more than glad to happy to change your H&R Block account to or downgrade to a different H&R Block tax program to get a better fit. Now, you can chat with the support agent and tell them your situation, all right? But be ready and have your account info and all the details, because that includes your block care ID, your phone number or email address, because they will ask you a lot of questions to get you to the right product, whether you need to change your product or switch to H&R Block free online account. Keep in mind that they cannot transfer your personal info to a downgraded product. That means you'll have to start over. So you have to be aware of that. So that's why I suggest to contact a support agent. Now, if you're not comfortable chatting with an agent, you also have an option here in the left side panel, which is click on support. And from here, you can contact them at these numbers. All right. It's a very straightforward process, and I believe downgrading to a basic version from deluxe or premium is a good way to save you money. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.